Hello friends, welcome back to another session of MongoDB database course. In last session we are done with the basic MongoDB operation, basic CRUD operations, and this is the continuation of this that last session only. But in this session we will focus only on how to find the documents. There are several ways to find the documents. We can apply filters on that. We can apply projection on document also. So similarly, it is similar to the select statement of RDBMS database. So suppose if you take the example of select star from my student, where email ID is so and so. So in this case, what will happen? Your all columns, star means all column of the table my student will be returned where the particular email ID will be matching. In the other hand, we can do like that also. Select student name, student phone number, email from my student where email ID is so and so. So in that case, we have applied projection also, like we are filtering few of the columns, not all the columns, few of the columns we are filtering, and we are getting few of the column, and we are applying the filter also on the record. So similar operation if we have to do in MongoDB, because since MongoDB is a NoSQL database, so how we will get the documents, how we will get that JSON object on basis of the filter and projection. So we are going to see that one. Okay, so the very first we have to open our terminal. Okay, and we have to enter into Mongo shell. Okay, so it's not connecting to the Mongo shell. Why? Can you tell me the reason? What could be the reason why it is not connecting? If you know, if any one of you knows the reason, can you write me in the comment section what could be the reason why it is not able to connect? First tell me what Mongo shell is trying to do. Mongo shell is trying to connect with the Mongo database, MongoDB database, and it's trying to pick up a connection. It's trying to pick a connection, but it is not able to do so. The connection is refused because MongoDB server is not up. MongoDB server is not up. So you have to start. When we did the installation in our second session, when we did the installation, at that time I think we have discussed one command, so that it will automatically get started. So yes, sudo system enable MongoDB we have to do, but we have not done this one so far. So what we need to do? What we need to do now? We need to start MongoDB server first, because if we enable this as a system level, whenever your system boots up, MongoDB server will automatically start. But I don't want, it's not a big deal, because since our server is not a production server, our is a development server. So in that case, whenever we need, we will start it. So that is a better. So how will you start? So you need to sudo system control start MongoDB. You have to do first. Okay, you need to type your password also. Okay, so now try to enter to Mongo shell. Yeah, it will successfully done. Okay, fine. You can clear this one. Next, okay, this all we have done. Show the databases, creating collection, creating a document, and inserting document. We have seen all those. Okay, fine. Now, sorry, now we will see the find operation. So first we need to do what? We need to switch to our database, my test DB. As of you know, in we have created this database already, and if you want to see the collection, it will show my users. There is a one collection only that we created previously. Now we will create another collection first. The collection name is my students. Okay, you can create this collection. So yeah, collection is created. Okay, one query is affected. Fine. So in this one I will insert some record, many I will use, and I will insert some of the records. So what is this records? Like student ID I am supplying explicitly. ID is nothing but student ID, because the column name, property name in JSON object, in this MongoDB JSON object we can't change. So I am giving ID S1001, 1002, 1003, like that. Name, student name, city, state, phone number, phone, email, paid fee, how much fee is paid, how much is pending, fee bill, paid fee, email, phone, state, city, student name, ID. These fields I am passing. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 fields. 1 ID, 7 other fields. Okay. And how many objects I am saving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I'm going to save. I am using insert many. We have seen in our last session. Insert many. Okay, copy. It is better to place in Notepad first, because if I directly copy, it will copy this MongoDB 10. It will not work. So I am just copying this outside first. What happened? Something is not working properly. Okay, that is also done. Next, this one and this one. Okay, now copy from here. What happened? Okay, still I don't know why it is working like that. Okay, yeah. Copy it. I think it's copied successfully. I need to delete from student. Okay, is it correct? I don't know what happened, why it is not copying properly. Okay, it is better I will copy 111. Okay, this is one object, I'll copy it. Okay, fine. This is another object, I'll copy. Okay, only last one is pending. Okay, and then just we need to terminate this one also. Okay, let's just cross verify whether this is correct. It should be correct. Insert many, this is the end. Okay, one object, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you can write here also, no problem, 8 and 9. That's it. Copy and paste. Yes, all are inserted. Starting from 0 to 9, 0 to 8. So total are 9. Okay, all are inserted. Fine. Clear this console. Now our data is ready in our MongoDB server. We have to query that. Okay. So the first one that I am doing. So before to find this one, just understand the find operation. Find operation like find one, find many, something like that. So first is your condition and second is your projection. We will see what is projection and we will see condition. First we will see the condition, because projection is optional. If you don't give the projection, it will return all the columns, like all the properties of the object. All the properties of object it will return if you don't give the projection. If you give the projection, it will accordingly it will return. So we will see this one. First is condition. So suppose what is projection here? Projection to filter the property of a JSON object, that is a projection. To filter the property of JSON object is a projection, and the condition to filter the document is called condition. Okay. Similar to this one, select student name, ID, phone number from my student, where student state is Haryana and fee BAL greater than 1500. So this has both. This where part is your condition part, and select student name, ID, phone is your projection part. Okay. So first is find all document. How will you do? Simple, very simple. In the last session also we have done this one. Find all will come. See, all coming, you can see here, all coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all are coming. Okay. If you want to apply limit, like I don't want all, I want first 3, first 4, first 5, you can do that also. Clear it and paste it. So first 3 coming, clear it, and I want to first 2 will come. Okay, so this is your limit. Simple. And pattern also you understand. DB stands for your current database, your present working database, DB. This is your name of collection, and on collection you want to apply some message, some method. This is your method. This is a method. Limit is a method. Find is a method. Limit is a method. Okay. Now find by single property. Okay. So we can do on the basis of object property also. So for object property you have to tell the property name and value. So on the basis of state it will filter. So let's see. Okay, so how many records are there for the state Haryana? 3 students are there. Okay, similarly you can search for other also, state Punjab, Himachal, 2, 3. We have total 9 records are there. Okay, so this is to filter on the basis of single properties. Okay. Find one, you can use find one also. Suppose if you see the above one where the state is Haryana, how many records you are getting? Let me clear first. Let me clear this. How many records are there? 3 records are there. But what if I will use find one just only? So first one will get, remaining will be skipping. because you are telling find one on this criteria. So, the whatever the first record is there, it will get, remaining it will skip. Okay. That is only the use of find one only. Next is AND operator. Suppose I want to find on the basis of phone number and email, where phone number and email. So, for AND operator you no need to tell anything special, just you have to tell the in the same object you have to tell the property name and property value, for all it will add append for all AND operation, default one AND operation. Now, here student will be fetched on the basis of phone number and email ID, where phone number. So, the internal query it is like a respective to RDBMS is select star from my student where phone number is 8526 and email is amit@abc.com. Simple. So, there is only one record because it is appended on the basis of AND condition. Okay, fine. For other also you can see there is a one record, or there is no record. For this one there is no record because for 8526 phone number is correct, but email address is not sandeep@abc.com. So, it is not getting. Okay. And similarly, if you want to apply OR operation, you can do same above query, just you have to convert to OR operation. Simple. So, definitely two record will come. For mobile number 8526, email ID is Amit, and for sandeep@gmail.com 8525 is the mobile number. This is OR operation. OR operation, I think in the last session also we have seen this OR operation, AND operation. Next is a relational operation. Relational operation means equals, not equal, equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. These are the relational operator. Relational operator, not equal, equal, less, equal, greater, equal, greater than and equal, less than and equal. So, these are the relational operators. So, first is not equal. Not equal means database select from my student get the records whose fee bal is not equal to 3800, not equal to 3800. Other than any record it is there, it will get, but not that record. So, you can see here, if you see 3800, fee bal is not 3800, not 3800, not 3800, not 3800, not 3800, not there. And if you see our actual record, in our find if you get all 3800, one record is there, last one, whose ID is S1009, but it is not getting that one because not, we are applying not relational operator, not relational operator we have applied here. Now greater than and equal, like if I want to say whose fee balance should be greater than and equal to 4000, get the documents whose, get the document of student whose fee balance is greater than or equal to, greater than and equal to 4000, greater than and equal to 4000. Yes. So, two are there, one is 4000, another one is 4500. Okay. Next, only just greater than, not greater than equal to, just greater than, you can do that also. So, if you do greater than only, you will get only one record 4500 only. This is a greater than only. this is greater than equal to also, that is why it is getting. You just observe the conditions. Currently we are not applying projections here, only we are applying conditions. On the basis of this condition, on the basis of this condition, now less than, we are applying less than 1000 only, less than and equal to, sorry, less than and equal to 1000, get the record, less than and equal to 1000. Yes, two records are there, who is less than and equal to 1000, yeah, less than and equal to 5000, less than only, and only less than if you want to get, then it will skip the above first record. This record it will skip at this time, because we are applying only less than, not less than equal to. LTE stand for less than. So let's revise. NE, dollar NE stand for not equal. Dollar GET, greater than, G stand for greater, T stand for than, greater than, E stands for equal, greater than, equal. GT, greater than. LT, less than. E, E stands for equal, less than and equal, less than. NE, not equal, greater than and equal, greater than and less than and equal. Next is less than only. So this is our relational operator, you can apply anywhere, wherever you want. Next is in operator. In operator we have also seen this in our last session also. Let's revise that again. In operator, like if you want to filter on the basis of multiple values, suppose I want to filter on the basis of state Haryana, it's okay, I can do, or else I want to do on the basis of state Punjab, that also I can do, these 4 record came, but I want for both, so total how many are there? 4 and 3, total are 7, but I am filtering on the basis of Haryana and Himachal. I want to get only for Haryana and Himachal, for both states. So this is in state, under this state, in this is another object, you see, this is another object, pure JSON object. Everything they are playing with the JSON object only, pure JSON object. So this is a JSON object. Under this JSON object, what is the key? Key is $in is a key. What is the value? An array of a string. So where the state is Himachal and Haryana, we'll see. You'll get, yeah, Himachal, Haryana. That's it. Okay, clear it. So this is in operator. Next, not in. Not in means not in Himachal and Haryana, not in. Just simply you have to apply NIN here, in, $in. Simply just you have to apply NIN, not in. Not in Haryana and Himachal, other than Haryana and Himachal I want to get. You can get. So other than Haryana and Himachal, only Punjab, 4 are there. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there only. Okay. Next is AND operator. AND operator, like just to add the AND condition. As you know, we have already done this here. You can do using this also. Using this, where state is equal to this one and email is equal to this one. It will automatically append. But if you have to do in some other condition, some other way, then you have to use this AND here. And this object itself, first key is AND. So means these all fields has to be added based on AND condition. So city, where city is Sirsa. So select star from student where city is equal to Sirsa and fee balance is less than 3000. This is the condition here. You practice. When you do the practice, you will understand this thoroughly. Just because of practice only it will come. Simple, like this. And so here find on the basis of AND condition where city is equal to Sirsa and fee balance is less than 3000 only. So there is only one record. Fine. AND operator, not operator, not means where fee balance is not 2000. Simple, no? Select students where fee balance not greater than 2000. You see properly. This is the key. Value is another object. Under this object you can give your again conditional operator or AND operator or IN operator, whatever you want to give, you can give inside that one. You can make this as a complex query also. Okay. So not in 2000, sorry, not greater than, where select students record where fee balance is not greater than 2000. It's not greater than 2000. Clear this ones. 2000. So you can see the fee balance is not exceeding than 2000, 1000, because greater than I am giving. So greater than means 2000 is okay. 2000, 1000, 1500, 5000, that's it. Okay. Not greater than, this can be 2000 can be there, but not greater than 2000. Okay. Yes. Greater than and equal to 2000, what does it mean? Not greater than and equal to 2000, what does it mean? See, so 2000 itself also it will not include. Not greater than and equal to 2000, it should not be greater than 2000, and it should not be 2000 also. So if you read this this command carefully, you will see select student where fee balance is not greater than and equal to 2000. Read like that. Okay. This is not operator. Next is projection. We will use projection. Suppose projection it's very simple. Whatever the condition, these are all are the condition, you keep those condition as it is. Along with this condition, the next object you have to pass, where you will exclude the properties. You have to tell the name of the property that you don't want to get. Simple. City will not come, state will not come, phone number will not come, email will not come. This is the meaning of here, this one. Let's see, copy this. Here you can see on the basis of state Haryana, I am filtering state Haryana, where the state is Haryana, but I don't want city, I don't want state, I don't want phone number, I don't want email. Simple. Copy. Clear this one. So this is a projection. Here what we are doing, we are specifying our columns name in the second object. This is your first object, where is the condition, where find state is equal to Haryana. So this is your condition, this is your projection, second object is your projection. So you can see here ID, student ID, student name, paid fee and fee bal only we are getting. We are excluding city, state, phone, email. Okay, so let's clear it. Okay, so this is the negation condition. I don't want to city, but what if I want city, state, phone? I have to do reverse in that case. I have to tell user name, fee bal, like that, but I don't want to do like I want email. So just give here one instead of 0 just give 1. 1 means you want this one, 1 means you want this one, 0 means you don't want 1 and 1. Simple. Now which will come? City, state, phone and email will come along with ID. ID is a unique, that's why it's coming. So city, state, phone, email, now it is coming. But if I give here 0, it means this will not come, other than that will come. Other than that will come. Like if I give here email 0, what will happen? Okay, you cannot do exclusion or field in an email inclusion projection. You have to do either inclusion or exclusion. So just one. All should be inclusion or exclusion. Now what is this one? In this projection, what we are doing? We are doing inclusion. This is inclusion. We are including city, state, phone, email. But this is exclusion. This one, exclusion. We are excluding which one? City, state, phone, email. Okay. So this is the projection. This is projection, and this your projection you can apply with any of the condition. You can apply. I want to apply where city, city is a state and fee balance is less than 3,000. You can do that also. I am applying in this condition. You can read from here what is the meaning of this this condition. After that one, this is the projection. That's it. Okay, clear first and paste it here, it will come. So city, state, phone, email is not coming, only student name, ID, ID, paid fee and fee bal is coming. Okay, so this is your projection. Try the last also. Now this is all, it will get all, because in the condition I am not telling any condition, so it will get for all. It will get for all. Clear this once. You will get the all, because you see the first condition object don't have any condition, so it will get all. That's it. Okay, and property projection we have defined. Projection we have defined city, state. We don't want to include this one. If we want to include, give it one here, give one here. It will include them. Other will exclude. It's up to your choice how you want to use them. See, okay. So this is a projection. So we have seen both now. Operation, condition and projection. Condition like find all, there is a no condition. On the basis of single property, this is a one condition we have seen. Find one with the single one properties we have seen. Find with and operator, means multiple conditions. And operator, the conditions are added by and operator. Or operator also we have seen. Relational operator, not equal to, greater than, equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, less than. In operator for multiple values, not in, reverse of in. And operator for multiple fields we have seen. Not operator for multiple we also have seen. Not operator, not in, greater than, not in, this like that. Projection we have seen. Next is a sorting. I want to sort. So one means what? One means ascending order, minus one means descending order. Simple. Ascending and descending order. You can see here. One means sorting by ascending order, minus one means sorting by descending order. So here if you see, I want to sort. If you see this query, if you see this command, you can understand clearly from here. Find, in find there is no projection, in find there is no projection, no condition. So it will get all the records, and it will get all the fields also. If you see here in the find method, we are not giving any condition and we are not giving any projection also. So it will get all the documents, and it will get all the properties of the document. Okay, then I am applying a sort on email. minus 1, sorry 1 means ascending order. Sort them by email on ascending order, that's it. So, it is doing in ascending order, you can see here now. First A, email, it is starting from A, okay, then A, yes, then H, P, ascending order, H, P, R, S, ascending order. I want to do the same in a descending order, minus 1, just give here minus 1, it is doing in a descending order, you can see now. First email ID is coming as Sumit, then Sonu, S, R, P, H, A. So, it is doing ascending order now. On the basis of phone number you can do, on the basis of email you can do, or you can do on the basis of any property you can do. And if you want to do along with the condition and projection, you can also do that one, it is also your choice, this is also your choice. See, clear it. Now, here what we are doing, if you see in the condition, we are not giving any condition values, so all it will get, okay. Then we are giving projection, like city I don't want, state I don't want, phone I don't want, email I don't want, and I want to sort them in ascending order on the basis of phone number, that's it. It is doing, or descending order, sorry, minus 1 is a descending order, so it is a descending order. Currently we are not showing here phone number, so you cannot see, but it is a descending order, okay, like that. Next is the indexing, it is important. Indexing is also important, like by default if you see in our MySQL databases or in our DBMS databases, indexing will be created only for ID. ID means the primary key of the column, for that only by default your database is creating index. But for other field, a database server will not create the index until and unless you don't tell, until and unless you don't create manually, it will not create, you have to create manually. So, same approach is followed in MongoDB also. In MongoDB, it will not create the index for other properties, it will create the index only for ID, So, I want to see get indexes first, for which values indexes are there, I want to see, clear it. So, if you see here only for ID index is there. One means index is given in ascending order, okay. Name is ID, that is it. One for ID only, for where on my students only for ID index is created, and that is in ascending order. If it is a minus 1, it will be in descending order. I want to create the index for email and phone number. How can I do? You can do very easily. Just executing this command. You can see DB on current database. On this database, my student collection is there. On this collection, I want to create index for email field, and index should be in ascending order. One mean ascending order, minus 1 means descending order, that is it. So, index is created. Now, you see get index, 2 indexes are there, one is for ID, that is in ascending order, name is underscore ID. Second is for email, name is email 1 and ascending order. Similarly, you can create for phone number also, you can do, okay. Index purpose you know very well, I think why indexing is required. If you are reading on the basis of phone number or email from the database, if you have not created index, it will take time to execute the query. Your system performance will be degraded, will be decreased. So, you have to create index for the column, for that one you are you are reading. Okay. So, this one is created now, and you will see the 3 index are there, and phone number is in descending order. Okay, that is it. Okay, so this is all about the MongoDB course in our this session, and we are done with MongoDB. Some more topics are there. If time permit, we will see those, like to study further, that is optional, you, because this is an advanced topic. No one for as a developer purpose, this much is enough, more than enough, but still if you are interested to learning more about this MongoDB concepts, you can learn regular expression, map reduce function, and data types. Generally data types is, you know very well, what type of database data type can have a JSON object, but just go through that also. And regular expression and map reduce, that is the most powerful features in an advanced topic. Not required, but you will learn. You can learn and you can add in your skill. That is a separate. If time permit, also we will see this one. Currently it will not required, and we will not start this further. Okay, so this is all about the MongoDB. Okay, in the next session we will start our Docker. I think we in our if you see on this channel, on my channel, we have started Docker, and there is only one session, introduction part. So in the next session we will see that installation, and we will started with Docker. Okay, so this is all about the MongoDB, and if you want to learn from the official site, you can use this URL. I will add this URL in the comment section, in the description. You can learn this also. Here the topics are there, like document database, like it is telling in more details, like replication, security, indexes, data model, current operations, Mongo shell, what is this one, administration, transactions, time change streams, all that you can learn here. If you are not finding this topic that I have given here, regular expression, map reduce, you can search on internet, or else time permit we will also see, no issue. Okay, fine. So this is all about the MongoDB, and we will see you in the next session. Till that, bye bye and have a nice day.